Hi, this is Jack, and it's March 21st, and we're going to try to show Nana and Papa how we're walking. There you go. And he can do it one hand. What a good job! Let's go over here. Woo! Let's go over here. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi! And there he goes. So I think he's going to be walking fairly soon because he can also walk with one hand. Can you say hi? Yeah. And that's Jack. That's Jack. You gonna walk one more time? Here, let's turn it around. Wow. Wow. And there he goes. There he goes. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi. Jack, can you say bye-bye? Oh, there's Brad. There's Daddy. There's Daddy.
You videoing?
Yeah.
Hey.
There's Midas. Brad, you want to say hi to your parents?
Hi guys.
There's Lily. There's Midas. There's Emma. And there's Jack. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.